The Master of Business Administration in Business Analytics at IIM Kashipur is a distinguished 2-year residential program designed for individuals who want to immerse themselves into the dynamic realm of data analytics. Embracing people from a diverse cohort, including those from non-coding backgrounds, the program aims to deliver analytical as well as business skills through data-driven decision-making, irrespective of a candidate's prior work experience or academic background.
So this program focuses on teaching students advanced analytical tools such as Power BI and Tableau, along with managerial subjects like HRM and strategy. And it also focuses on essential electives like operations and communication to address modern business needs.
MBA in Business Analytics at IIM Kashipur boasts an amazing industry experience, providing students with case studies and collaborative projects facilitated by industry partners. As a result, this course also provides opportunities for summer internships, live projects, guest lectures, bridging the gap between theory and application.
In the second year of the program, students undertake dissertation under the guidance of a faculty supervisor, which presents them with an opportunity to deepen their understanding of research and business analytics. This year-long forum provides students an opportunity to manage the project from start to end, deepen their understanding of complex methodologies, and foster invaluable project management skills. The faculty supervisor guides and mentors students throughout the year to ensure they emerge as practitioners and researchers in the field of business analytics.
Complementing the program's academic rigor is a distinguished faculty at IIM Kashipur, known for their expertise in the field of research and consultancy. Drawing from a wealth of industry experience, they make sure that the students are furnished with latest insights and methods prevalent in the field of business analytics.
Furthermore, the program is committed to facilitate career progression by offering comprehensive support and placement assistance. Through dedicated placement committee and strategic collaboration with industry leaders, graduates are seamlessly integrated into esteemed organizations across diverse sectors, underscoring the program's efficacy in shaping future leaders in business analytics. Thank you.